Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I'm just getting ready. Today is Saturday. I am doing a little makeup, just a quick face before I head out. I am going to get my hair done. I was supposed to get my feet done yesterday, but that didn't work out. I was gonna go before my hair appointment. That didn't work out clearly. So I'm just either gonna do my feet tomorrow or get up and go to the shops. And I'm just doing like a quick, like soft glam look. So I am getting my hair done. I'll show you guys the hairstyle that I'm getting, but like I told you guys, I am going out of town for my family reunion. If you guys missed my pack with me video, I will leave that link down below. But yeah, that's what's going on. And I leave Thursday, August 4th. So I'm not going to do my nails until August 3rd, because which is a Wednesday, because I don't want them to be all, you know, crusty looking before I go. This is my first time using this palette, and I'm taking this on my trip with me. I was going to do a separate video and show y'all the makeup that I'm taking with me, but I'm just going to show y'all in this vlog. My appointment is at 1:45. I think it's like 12 o'clock, and I want to get some lunch before I go. So just going to do something real quick. Alright, I'm gonna do this butter gloss from Ruby Kisses. This is in the color White to Lie. This is my first time wearing it, so let's see. I knew this was gonna be pretty. I'm gonna put a little gloss on. Just a little setting spray. Y'all remember when I hauled this in my beauty supply store haul? Yeah, it's supposed to be, it looked like a dupe for the Morphe spray, so we gonna see. Yeah, so it's a 2-in-1 microfine mist primer and setting spray. Ooh, it's kind of tacky. Well, it could be that e.l.f. Primer, but it feels kind of tacky. But yeah, that is my face. I'm not adding any highlighter. This is my hair before. Let me fix my little bun. Before. I love quick, like soft glam looks like this. They do the job. Okay, so I am back from the nail shop. I just got done recording a few videos. But anyways, I never did come back on camera and show you guys my hair. So this is what my hair looks like. I went ahead and got faux locks. And yeah, so I just got some locks in my hair. It did not take her long, like 3 or 4 hours to do my hair, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, so it's just parted like straight down the middle, and it's super cute. Super cute. I hope that it, like, you know, like they kind of stick out a little bit, so I hope that it lays it down. Maybe I just need to flatten it down, but don't mind my vanity. But yeah, that's how long they are. And let me try to, this is new, I never had this before, so I always get like, or do like box braids or something. I'm trying to show y'all and it's not delivering. Hold on, let me put y'all on this on my mount. Ooh. Okay, let me try to, okay, so this is what they look like. And yeah, they just straight down the middle. This is the back. This is how long they are. So yeah, that's what I got, y'all. So this is new. I really like them. They're super cute. So yeah, she was my cousin actually did them, and she was telling me that it's hard to take these down. So I'm gonna look on YouTube how to take them down, but she said when I get ready to take them down, just to like call her and she'll help me. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair jewelry in because they looking a little plain. Now I was gonna get highlights, but she said that she couldn't find the yaki hair to match the locks, or else it wasn't gonna look right. So yeah, and I love how black it is. I just really like that. Yeah, I just got me some braid cuffs from the beauty supply store. And oh my god. And I'm just gonna put a few on. I've seen one part that I wanted to cover, but I don't even know like exactly where I want to put them. Okay. I do want to put some in the bag. All right, so I forgot that my face is oily. Okay, oily, and yeah, I still got on that foundation that I tried out earlier. But anyways, I forgot that, I don't know, I can't remember, I don't know if I mentioned to you all. I think I did in the beginning of the video. I think I said that I was going to show you all my makeup that I'm taking with me for my trip. I think I said that. If I didn't, I am going to show you guys what I'm taking with me on my trip as far as my makeup. I did not show you guys in my pack with me because I didn't know what makeup I was taking at the moment. So I have my makeup right here. That's what I'm looking at on the floor. I have my makeup in that bag or whatever. Oh my god, like that foundation, I don't think I like the color or something, but I don't think so. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all my makeup, and I need to reorganize it and stuff, but I forgot I needed to clean my brushes, and I said I'm only bringing a few brushes. Here I am taking a lot of brushes. You just never know. So I need to go ahead and clean these. Okay, so I have this like brush cleaner. I haven't used it yet, so let me see. Okay, wait a minute. All right, here we go. Oh my god. Oh, super cute. I feel like I put too much shampoo in here. Oh. It don't even feel wet. my god, I feel like I'm losing control. Okay, wait. Taking this kombucha with me. I'm washing my bedding at the moment, so I'm just trying to get a lot of stuff done. So excuse my bed, make sure I got all the makeup I want to take. So at the bottom, of course, I'm gonna have like my palettes and stuff. I'm taking this Morphe Madison Bear palette. I used it for the first time yesterday, and it's just a pretty neutral palette. It's really pretty, you guys, and it's really nice and neutral. And the colors I used were quite pigmented. Taking my Juvia's Place blush palette. I can't go nowhere without my Natasha Denona palette. Like, I just can't. This is Bae. What is that? Did I hit pan? I don't think so. But you could tell that I used that shade. So I'm probably going to be using this more than anything. Taking my e.l.f. palette. This is the I Love You Latte. I've been loving this, so I'm taking this as well. I'm taking my Marc Jacobs highlighter in Guilty, and that's what it looks like. And then I have my Black Radiance pressed powder. Yeah, oh, I forgot I was taking this Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to be using this as well. I'm probably going to be wearing makeup twice down there, so I don't really see myself doing makeup a lot. But you just know, you just never know. You just need options. And I know I got like this, my cream shadow. I wanted to take that. And then I have some Super Shock shadows. So I'm going to put those in here. My setting spray, I said I was going to give this Charlotte Tilbury a try, and then I'm going to take this Milani Make It Last Maybelline 355 Coconut. I don't know, I just feel like I haven't been having luck with the way my foundation's been looking lately. Like they've been oxidizing or something. I don't know. I'm bringing some brush cleaner as well. Put that in there. And I tried to put more of my Fenty, because I had a little bit of my Fenty foundation, and I thought I had enough for a full face, so I don't think I do. I really wanted to go and buy another one, but I don't have time. Well, I can go and get some. I do have a few more days, but I'm trying not to spend any more money. But I'm just gonna take it. Maybe I can mix it or whatever. Here go another cream shadow that I'm gonna take. Primer, have my Becca primer, e.l.f. primer I'm taking as well. I'm gonna take my Fenty powder. I do like my Sephora powder, but I'm gonna take this. The reason why I'm taking this bronzer is because it's like an everyday bronzer, so I'm gonna take that. And I'm also gonna take this from L'Oreal. I do like that. I have this bronzer on today, so I'm gonna take this as well. So I really like the way it looked. That's from Absolute New York, and I was like really shocked. So I'm gonna take that. Like I said, you need options, girl. Another bronzer, girl. Oh, and my NARS, I forgot. I got my blotting sheets as well, so I'm gonna put those in here. Of course, I have like NYX. Definitely taking this orange one. I got my butter glosses from, what are these called? I want to call them butter bomb glosses. These are like dupes for NYX butter gloss, so I'm taking those. And then I have this Beauty Creations, and then one from Nicka K. And then I'm also taking these Kaja gloss shots as well. And then I'm going to take Fenty. This is the cream version, the heat version of the universal shade. So let me see what I got going on in here. And then I got hella lip liners, and this is for my eyes. Got some more gloss. I do got another eyebrow pencil from CoverGirl. And like I said, I got hella, I got hella lip liners, NYX, Iman, Sephora. I think I got Nicka K somewhere. And my clear gloss, I need my clear gloss. And I got MAC right here. Put my pencil sharpener right here. And I just brung one lipstick. I need this NYX Thick It Stick It. And my eyelash glue and some more primer. Oh, setting powder, I forgot about that. And then I have a new sponge, like setting and baking puffs from Nicka K. And I have this big one from the beauty supply store that I got from the beauty supply store for like $1. What is it, $2? I think this one $2. Oh, here it was $2.50. That's a shame. But yeah, I've been had this for a while, so I'm gonna take that. I'm bringing a backup pair of nails because you just never know. And I got a mirror. All my makeup that I'm taking with me. I did add a few more things, my mascara, my cellar water, and I'm bringing these lashes because I know somebody gonna ask me to put on their eyelashes, so I'm gonna bring these. And then I already packed my lashes in here, like maybe like last week or something, but I totally forgot about my lashes.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is falling. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, almost kidding, I lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do, oh, you make me feel like we could do.